When the first dark clouds of Tropical Storm Noel rolled across the island of Hispaniola, no one was prepared for the devastation it would bring. But within a matter of days came hope and help and love. Redland Church of the Nazarene, Southern Florida District, American Airlines, pastors, district superintendents, volunteers, and the director of the foundation, Be the Change, joined NCM Caribbean to give a little package of hope to those in need. Because Tropical Storm Noel was no respecter of age, crisis care kits were given to even the smallest victims. Flooding occurred in the heart of the city and all the way to some of the highest mountain towns. The damage is widespread, but crisis care kits are getting to Nazarenes and their neighbors all across the Dominican Republic.